Welcome back children. I hope you all doing well. In previous video, we have learned using the notepad. I hope you all understood the lesson. Now, in this video, we will study about using the WordPad. WordPad is a rich text editing program. It is capable of doing much more than Notepad, but as compared to MS Word, it has fewer features. A file created in WordPad can be a plain text file. The formatting features are more advanced with the facility to insert an image in a document file. WordPad is a program used for typing text into the computer. We can type letters, stories, poem, etc. using the WordPad program. Starting WordPad. To start WordPad, select Start button. Click on All Programs. Click on Accessories. Then click on WordPad. The WordPad window appears. Working in WordPad. Do you see a cursor within the WordPad window? If not, click once inside the WordPad window. Now you can type anything in this window. The cursor shows the position where the text type character would appear in the window. Press the Enter key to move to the next line. WordPad has many styles of writing text, and these styles are known as fonts. Select Format from the menu bar. You will get the following window. Select the font, style and size. WordPad has two tabs on the ribbon. The two tabs are Home tab and View tab. The Home tab offers 5 editing and formatting settings. Clipboard. The Clipboard section lets you cut, copy and paste content or pictures. Font. The Font section allows you to customize your text. You can change the font style, font size, font color. You will learn more about these features as we use this application. Paragraph. The paragraph setting fine-tunes the layout of the current paragraph, including line spacing, indentation and alignment. Insert. The Insert section enables you to insert picture, change or resize it to fit in the document, insert a drawing from MS Paint, insert current date and time in the required format and create a link to another file. Next, editing. The editing sections finds and replaces text as well as selects all the text. View tab. The View tab gives you different options. First one, Zoom. Zoom to make your text larger or smaller. Next, Show or Hide. See or hide the ruler and the status bar. Next one, Settings. Change the word wrap settings and you need the measurement of a ruler. Creating a new WordPad document. Let's say you want to write a letter to your grandparents who are staying away from you. To write a letter, you need to create a new WordPad document. To do so, number 1, open WordPad. A blank document appears. Number 2, write the text you wish to enter. Number 3, then save your WordPad document. Saving a WordPad document. Number 1, click on File menu. Number 2, click on Save As. A Save As dialog box appears. Number 3, select the location to save your letter. Documents is the default folder that appears in the Save As dialog box. Number 4, select the format you prefer to save. The default saving format is rich text format, that is .rtf. Number 5, enter the name for the file as letter to grandparents in the file name box. Number 6, click on the save button. The file is saved in the document folder as letter to grandparents.rtf. Formatting in WordPad document. Let's have a look at the formatting options in WordPad. Number 1, open a new file in WordPad. Ensure you have saved the previous file you were looking on. Number 2, type 3 or 4 sentences. Number 3, to format the text, we need to first select 8. Drag the mouse pointer over the text you want to select. It will get highlighted. Number 4, then you can change the font size and font color by clicking on their drop down arrows. Number 5, you can also change the font style and makes it bold and underline the text. Number 6, try the different options and see how the font changes. Number 7, save the file. You can also select the font, size, color and style before you begin typing. Once selected, the text type will then appear in the styles you have selected. Insert date and time. Let's insert the date and time in the letter you wrote. Number 1, click on File menu, then click on Open. The Open dialog box appears. Number 2, click on the letter to grandparents.rtf file. Number 3, under the Home tab, go to Insert Group. Number 4, click on Date and Time. Number 5, choose from the available formats for the date and time and click on OK. Insert picture. Let's say you want to insert a picture of your choice. Number 1, go to Insert section. Number 2, click on Picture and browse for the required picture. Number 3, select the picture and click Open. Insert drawing. To insert a drawing, number 1, go to Insert Group. Number 2, click on Paint Drawing. The MS Paint window appears. Number 3, create the drawing you require and close MS Paint. Number 4, the drawing will appear on the WordPad document. With this, we end with this chapter. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, thank you. Stay safe. Bye bye.